Hello, my name is Kurt Christensen. I'm a model designer and I've been working for Lego for 15 years. I actually been in another department at Lego where we build quite big models. So it has been models for Legoland and for exhibitions. But when I transferred to this department, I started out in the Star Wars theme and have been around working with Indiana Jones and working with sketch models and power miners and that sort of thing. But now I'm back again on Star Wars. My first Lego set was a yellow tractor with a small wagon, and I still have the tractor, but the wagon sort of got lost in all the other Lego bricks. The design process on the Jedi Starfighter was very similar to all the other Star Wars sets that have been made. And we normally get some sort of a reference from Lucasfilm, but also we have a brief where we have a pricing and an age mark on it. The favorite thing about this model for me is that I more or less have been building in 7 or 8 directions. It's a funny way to build. It's okay for me to do this when it's a direct model. It needs to be a bit more challenging than a normal model, so it has actually been quite funny to try that.